Hey guys, it's Mr. Wiggins again. Just wanted to go over what assignments we're going to be working for week 1 of phase 3 learning opportunities. So first thing you're going to need to do is click on marking period for the learning opportunities folder, which is yellow. Go to your week 1 folder. And then when that opens up, you guys are going to be working on creating a account for Khan Academy. And particularly, you're going to be signing up for my Pixar in a Box class. So that's going to be your first assignment, as well as watching a orientation video. It's going to show you how Pixar goes and makes a movie. So that's what you guys are going to be doing for the 28th, and you guys can see over here in the assignment title that this is an assignment for the 28th. For the 30th, you guys are going to be focusing on storytelling. So what I want you guys to do is kind of think of this as you're taking the steps of what Pixar does in order to make a new movie. So I'm going to open up these assignments so you can see them and we can go into a little bit more detail with them. So for the account and class sign up, if you click on that link, you guys are going to click on my document, which will be located to the right of assignments, but it will open up a Google Doc that's similar to this. Okay, so there's a bunch of links in here. So the first one is going to get you to Khan Academy, to where you guys can go ahead and sign up for that account. So if you guys click on that, it'll bring you to the screen right here. And then I have very detailed image by image or step by step directions, and it shows you visually what you need to do as well for if you already have an account through Khan Academy or if you don't have an account through Khan Academy. Either way, it's a 9-step process. I know it sounds long, but it's not too difficult. But before you go through that process, make sure that you copy your class code first. Now, each class is going to have a different class. So this is a class code for 701. And then after you guys complete the orientation video, I want you guys to take a screenshot, insert it right here. If you have a PC, Mac, or Chromebook, I have screenshot directions that are linked right here to different YouTube videos that show you how to do that. And then if you guys are going to insert a screenshot, as always, you guys are going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from your computer, and then you'll select an image. So after that, I want you guys to tell me, it talks about different jobs that Pixar has. If you forget, I have a link here that takes you to the different jobs that they have at Pixar. Pixar is owned by Disney. So if you scroll down here, it'll tell you everything that they have. Also, I want you to tell me if you have just a Pixar movie that you enjoyed. I want you to tell me that. If you have several, I want you to tell me that as well. So if you're unsure of what Pixar or which movies are made by Pixar, I have that linked here as well. So basically, you guys are going to go through, do that. Once you get done with all of inserting your screenshot, answering these 2 questions, make sure you're in Schoology above your assignment. Let's say I'm in Schoology. If you scroll all the way to the top in this window, you'll have a blue bar here. Just make sure you're hitting the Submit Assignment button to make sure this gets submitted. All right, so that's for the 28th. I'm going to go back here to storytelling. For this, basically, you guys are going to log back in same way. Click on my document, open up your assignment. you guys are going to go back to the same login screen. When you get there this time, since we've already signed up, you guys are just going to click on the login and log in with Google, and it should take you right to your class and want you to continue where you left off. So with that being said, you guys are going to watch 2 videos that give you an introduction to storytelling from Pixar's point of view, as well as putting your own unique perspective on your storytelling. So after you get done with those 2 videos, I have 3 reflection questions that I want you guys to concentrate on, and then just answer right below where it says answer here. Okay, now number 3 has 2 parts to it. Also, too, it gives you a choice of whether you're going to express your story verbally, written, or visual. Okay. If you have any questions whatsoever, make sure to shoot me an email, or if you want to, you can attend the Tuesday Zoom meeting. For times, just make sure to refer to your Schoology page. All right, guys, have fun.